Good evening, guys. It's me again. Let's see if we could program this part. Anybody interested to see how the program flows for this simple part? It's a still shelf. So let's do it. This is the guide that we'll follow. Yan ang pattern niya, as you can see. Okay. Let's start. First of all, we need to be in design and then sheet metal right here. Okay, we'll start by a new component. New component, sheet metal, ang name, let's just put steel shelf. Steel shelf. Okay, let's save it. Sheet metal rule is set to mm. I don't like millimeter. I would like inches. Let's do aluminum. Let's go. So we start by the sketch. As we can see, we have 10 inches here. Let's do that first. We can see it's 10 inches by, it's 4 inches. Let's do that. This, let's do center. Rectangle, center. There you go. Okay, just open it like that. Let's type 10 inches there. Press tab and then 4 inches. Then enter. There you go. We have it. Sketch done. Now we're going to create a flange out of this. So let's click flange, click the 4x10 we just did, and then select the body, and then this is new body and press OK. So as you can see, we did the flange already. It's there, we can see it. That's the dimension is 4 inch here by 10 inch there. Now as you can see, the next part we need to do is create this part right here. So it's calling for 4 inch from edge to top, it's 4 inch, and from this edge to top, it's 4 inch. It's visible here. So let's do that. Click flange, click this corner. It says it's showing going up. That's exactly what we want. You can see here, press number 4 for 4 inch and enter. See how easy it is? Let's do the other side. Flange again, that corner top, 4, and enter. So we have this already. It's very easy, as you can see. Now we need to do this part, this cut out. We need that, but I see something wrong here. You can see this is a 3/4 cut. This is a 3/4 cut also. If you bend this and you bend this up, this 3/4 and 3/4 will hit each other. Therefore, we're going to move this a little bit up to make room for this bend. Later makikita natin yan. So We got it. Let's see. Create, sketch, pick a plane. I will pick this part right here. This part. And L for line. You can click it up here or you hit L for line. Put a line right there. It really doesn't matter where you put it. We're going to dimension that after. And it's there, and then press D for dimension. D for dimension, or you can click it up here also. So D for dimension, we're going to dimension it up here. This, I think we could get away by 0.850. That's dimensioned already, like this. It's okay, we could just follow the 3/4 of an inch, which is 0.75 of an inch in decimal. There you go. Napakasimple, right? Then finish sketch. We have that already. Click this extrude. Click this part. And ang gagawin natin, puputulin natin to all throughout dun sa kabila. So what we need to do is to check the height of this. We know that this is 10 inches. So negative 11 natin para lampas doon. 11. So you can see, lumampas na cut niya. Alright? There you go. You can see visibly it's cut already. Now, let's do this part. Let's do this bend. This 1, 2, and 3. We will bend this flange in one go. Okay? So it's calling for 3/4 of an inch, 0.75 in decimal. Let's do that. Another flange tool. Click the flange. Hit this part. Another one. And another one. And then let's type 0.75. I'm sorry. 0.75. There you go. As you can see, may cut na tayo, may relief na tayo dito, round relief, and 45-degree cut. I will just show you. Let's do this back. Okay? See, if we're going to do just one side, this is what will happen. That's why the programmer needs to know all this. 0.75. 0.75. There you go. You see, there is no 45-degree chamfer cut there, which means if we're going to agree with that and then do another flange, select this and select this. Let's see. 0.75 again. You see, there's a problem. It will not be incorporated to our CNC cut. This is a failure. That's why let's go back and let's redo it in one go. Flange, this corner, that corner, that corner, and 0.75. There you go. Finish. You can see that's that. Okay, now let's do the part here. Let's do the part here. Another one, flange tool. click it here, 0.75, 0.75. There you go. As you can see, tinaas natin kanina. If 0.75 din yan dito, a while ago, remember, this one tinaas natin. This is 0.75. Ginawa nating 0.85 to give the allowance for the bend. That's why programmers are very important. So see? You see the difference now. So let's finish this one. And another flange. Inwards. This is just 0.2. 0.25. 0.25. There you go. Let's make it 3.3. Better. Okay. It's better looking with the 0.3. Now, so we're getting close. Malapit na tayo. See how simple it is, guys. Natatakot lang karamihan kasi technology, but in reality, if I can do it, you can do it. Flange tool again, and let's take this. One more. 0.75. 0.75. There you go. As you can see, oh, may clearance tayo. We have a clearance right there. You see that? That is our clearance. That's why tinaas natin kanina yung cut dito sa corner. They are calling for 3/4 also. The corner here, oh, distance, see? It's 3/4, 0.75. Kung 0.75, it will hit each other. Tatama yan dito. There will be a problem. Hindi magiging successful ang design natin. Well, that's it. Na-program na natin, as you can see. Okay. As of now, okay na siya. But this needs a little bit work. Let's put like 45-degree here. As you can see, there's a chamfer 45-degree at the corners, 45-degree here. You can see it visibly here. Let's do that. And at the top. So what we do, modify, click here, upper, modify, and chamfer. See that? Let's hit these corners right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We know that we need to chamfer those. Also, this one and the other side. This one. Now, we selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now you need to compute. In my case, I already did. That's why I know the chamfer size that's going to put in. It's 0.59. There you go. 0.59. This is it, 0.59. Okay. So now, we left with just cleaning up to do. Oh, we forgot, we need to put holes here. As you can see from the print, they are calling for 3/16 hole right there. And 0.38 distance from the corner. So let's do that. Create, sketch, hit this one here. There you go. So what we need to do is hit this, create, and point. Let's just put some points here. Point, 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 and point. Now let's dimension it. D. For dimension, we can see it's calling for 3/8 from the corners. It's 3/8. See, so 3/8. Okay. Oh, before we do that, I'm going to show you something perfect for this one. So as you can see, let's remove all the points that we did. There you go. Let's put point, 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 and point. Now, we can use this right here, the horizontal vertical constraint. Click that, click this, and click this. See? There are now constraints. This one and this one, they're now aligned. Okay? So if we dimension this, okay, let's dimension this from here to here. Let's just divide it like 400. Point 3. 0.3. All right. From here to here, 0.3. Now, since they are aligned here horizontally, if we dimension it from here to here, it's calling for one, how high? 1.5 inch from this corner. So let's dimension it from there, here. Look at this side, it will move also. So 1.5. Enter. See? Hindi na kayo mahirapan pabalik-balik. Well, same here. It will just do that. Just 3.3. There you go. And from corner to here, it's 1.5. 1.5 from corner to here, it's 1.5. Now, it's already dimensioned, right? So, the remaining thing to do is do the holes. Let's do the holes. Click this, under solid, holes. 1, 2, don't worry. Malaki lang tingnan, but it's fairly fine. Now, we selected 4 because we're going to use 4 holes. We're just going to hole type size, simple through hole, drill. There you go. Distance, it's just 0.2. All right. See, it will punch through. Now, this is the size of our hole. 0.135. Let's see. 0.135. lakihan natin, gawin natin 0.35. Too big. 0.25. There you go. 1/4 of an inch. Let's see. Yeah, it's still too big. 0.185. Yun. There you go. So, easy. Nandiyan na ang butas natin. Well, kailangan natin i-chamfer yung corners. Let's modify. Excuse me. Chamfer. Chamfer. There you go. Let's just type 0.3. Oh. 0.03. There you go. We can go bigger. 0.04. There you go. See, we have a chamfer on the screw itself. There you go. Now, what we have is a complete part, but it's not done yet. We need to put radiuses on those. So let's click fillet. Same procedure. Click 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, not this. Hindi yan, hindi yan. Tanggalin natin yan. Okay. Yan. We really need to do this. So if somebody sees your project, they know that it was done professionally. Dami natin yan. Let's do that also. This part. And the inner part. Of course, hindi na makikita yan. No one can see it, but it will reflect on your work. There you go. Let's deselect this. I think maliit lang ang radius ang fillet we need to put there. So let's remove that. Okay. Let's see. Fillet. Okay, 0.3. As you can see, there you go. It's all rounded up. Walang matalas na corners. It's not sharp. Oh, we forgot this one. If you forgot an edge to radius, you need to hit control. See, I'll hit control. It will highlight. Let go. See, control, and then you can select another feature there. There you go. Let's click OK. One thing na lang. Yung mga small corners. Another one. Let's do fillet. Do this. That one. Under part. This part. That part. And then hit 0.1. You see? There you go. As of now, we have a complete product. So if you're going to go to sheet metal up here, sheet metal, this is the complete product that we did. Okay, it's complete now. Let's hit flat pattern. Hit the base part that we did, which is we started here, flat pattern, stationary face. Okay, and okay. There you go. So immediately we could export this. This is on the upper part here. You can see export DXF. So this is the only file you need to export it. Ipakat na sa laser, CNC, or whatnot. Well, tapos na tayo dito. Let's put it back in its form. But I can see improvement. If you're going to ask me, yes, pwede nating gawa ng improvement. We could put some ribs here. There, we could put some ribs. Let's do it. Let's click this top part. There you go. Let's click the rectangular pattern. Rectangular pattern. There you go. Okay. Let's do 1/4 of an inch. 1/4. Now let's do 300.3. Tab. And do 3 inches. 3 inches. There you go. Have it. It's there already. Now we need to corner this part, fillet. It's okay. Just click the first line, second line, first line, and second line. Now let's change the dimension to 0.15. 0.15. There you go. Much better. I see something wrong. Okay. Again, let's do the fillet. Point 1.15. There you go. This one and this line, this line and this line, and press enter. Now we're done. We could go to solid, extrude, click this part, type -0.2. Let's see. There you go. It's cutting. You can see here, operation cut. Okay, click OK. There we go. So we have this already. Now, how do we copy this feature? Of course, if you're going to sketch another one, it's very long process, right? But there's a shortcut I could teach you. The shortcut is create pattern, rectangular, click it, and then come here. You can see object. We don't need the object. We need feature. So we click that and come over down here. You can see here it's a shelf cut. The extrude, the last pattern that we did. Click it. As you can see here, now click the axis where you want to pattern it from. We need to go this side over here. So let's click align here. Axis. Let's click align. There you go. There you go. There you go. So now we're going to copy this like 16 patterns. Let's do 16. 8.8 inches. Oh, there you go. You can see. Let's hit OK. There you go. Finished product. Papakat nyo na lang sa CNC. It's whether it's a water jet or any other, but you can see, oh, this is already a finished product. Let's back to sheet metal and then create a flat pattern. The lower part that we did. There you go. It's done. Well, thank you very much, and I hope that I contributed something to you guys. And let's start programming, change our lives. Thank you very much, and good night.